Hello everyone. So today's lecture is based on exercise of NCERT of lesson trigonometry. So let's start today's lecture. Okay? So here are some problems regarding the exercise. So let's go through it. First you have to concentrate on given questions. What is given in the question or what you have to find. Okay. So here is the given question, that is angle A and B are acute angles and such that cos A is equal to cos B. Prove that angle A is equal to angle B. You have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. So here are basically two triangle you have to draw for solving this question, and you have to write that whatever is given to your question and what you have to find, you must try it first. Okay. In the given question, that triangle PAQ, that is this one, and triangle CBD, this one, two triangles are mentioned in this slide, and you have to find that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. Here from this figure, cos A is equal to QA upon PA by B upon H, because cos theta or cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse and cos B is equal to BD upon BC. From this triangle and from this triangle, cos A is equal to cos B, that is given in your question, and according to LHS or RHS, if cos A is equal to cos B, then automatically this side and this side are also equal. So that is here written. And let's take an positive number that is mentioned by K. Say, okay, QA upon BD is equal to PA upon BC is equal to K. And from this equation you have to write that PA is equal to what? K into BC. By Pythagoras theorem, you know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular plus base. This is mentioned here. And you have to put the value of base and hypotenuse, and then by this equation you find PQ's value. Okay. Now according to that equation, you see that here are some equation from that equation, and from equation 1 and 2, from earlier equation and from this equation, you put that and you see that in any two triangles, okay, in any two triangles, if there are similarity of two angles are equal or all sides are equal, then the angles are automatically equal by AA criteria, by angle criteria. Okay, you learned this in your geometry lesson, in your geometry chapter. So you should learn that, you should have to remember that what is double A similarity criteria of triangle. From that criteria you prove that these angles are equal by this criteria. So here hence prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. Here are another question is cot theta is equal to 7 by 8 and you have to evaluate that 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and the second question is cot square theta. You have to find these two. First of all, you see that what is given in your question and what you have to find. That is, cot theta is equal to b upon p, that is perpendicular by base, and by this formula a square plus b square, you write that a plus b into a minus b. Okay, cot theta is already mentioned in your question, and from algebra you know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. From this equation you write these equation, and that is 1 minus sine square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. By Pythagoras theorem you write these equations: hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base square. Then you put the value of this in this equation, and you find what is the value of h. That is, h square is equal to under root 113, and 113 is not a perfect square, that's why it's written the same. So now 1 minus sine square theta and 1 minus cos square theta, you have to put that sine square theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos square theta is base upon hypotenuse. Then here the you let's take h square is LCM, and then it's cut out, and it's remaining h square minus p square upon h square minus b square. Then the answer is 49 upon 64. Okay, if you have NCERT book and you don't have any solution of this question, then you take this as a solution, and if you want any type of notes, you mail me or you mention this in comment section. Okay, next question is you have to find this is the question that you have seen in the at the screen, that tan a is equal to 1 upon root 3, find the value of this and this. Then first of all you have to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle you have to draw at first, and whatever is the angle is given, that is sine a cos a sine c, then it's mean it's talk about angle a and it's talk about angle c. First of all, let's take angle C. So here tan A is equal to 1 by 3, that's mentioned in your question. And from Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to perpendicular square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem. You have to find h. Okay. Then h is equal to 2. Here sin A is equal to, from p by h is 1 by 2. From base upon hypotenuse, cos C is equal to 1 by 2. From cos A, base upon hypotenuse, root 3 by 2. And from sin C, root 3 by 2. From perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. All these are the solution of these two questions. Then what's the solution is, put that value of these in this equation, and you have to find the value, that is 1. And after that cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C, the value of this question is 0. When you put the value of these in this equation, you have to find that what's the value of this. After putting the value, you get the answer. Thank you. And if you don't subscribe my channel, then please subscribe, because it's free, and share it with your friends, with your family members, everyone. And if you have any doubt, then you mail me, you comment me in comment below. And thank you.